because we don't.
Hey there, pyros. It's a Saturday, and we're having a little lightweight fun out here with some morning glories, and we had a few other things we let off earlier in the day. I didn't get a video of them though, but we lit some of these bottle rockets and stuff, some smoke bombs. We're gonna have a little fun tonight on Saturday with the girls.
I need it.
Here you go. All right, there you go. We'll come back with some more. There we go. Lining up the other one. There they go. All right.
Next year's is on.
Here we go.
How do you do that?
So right after they do that, we got one of these little guys right here. Some cutting edge. Gonna light this thing real quick. All right, let him get it set up. Tapping his phone. And that's it. I have a video of these things that we're gonna light as well. Once it gets a little bit more dark, we'll set these off. All right, he's lighting up a small bee. Oh, it didn't do nothing. That was a dud. Light another one. Oh, it didn't do anything. Next one. All right, here we go. They're not going very high these days. Whoa. So we have these next there we're gonna light. These little ground bloom flowers. They're world class.
I want to light it. Wait. That's why you can't light it. It's gonna really hurt you. Same time, but I'll light it right now. Really dangerous.
Wait.
Wait, one didn't light for some reason. I'll see it goes. Can I light one?
No. It's a 10-ball Roman candle right here.
That's hot, Nixie. Try lighting a fire. No, that's hot.
Last 10-ball Roman candle.
Okay, give me that. Wait.
And that's it.
It's out.